The first thing you should know about your vehicle, in this case a boat, is its dimensions. As a result, you can determine if it will travel through objects or not. Clearly, this guy had no idea what his boat's specifications were and ended up getting it trapped. Observe him struggle at first, then realize, well, maybe it's too big for this. That must be a little humiliating in front of the ladies. This ship's mooring lines in Port Victoria, Seychelles were broken by the storm. Let's just say this small dinghy has a few too many passengers in it. When a boat lost control, the sprint boat race took a terrifying turn. The boat flew out of the water and struck the barrier as it raced through tight passages at high speeds. Maybe this small fisherman's boat is speeding up beside the wall in an attempt to pass the larger boat? Regardless, the bigger boat catches up to them and they hit the big boat in a kamikaze-like manner, sinking just themselves. What were they thinking? When you don't anchor your boat in rough waters, this is what occurs. This couple continued crashing into the rocks, and they realized that they had already made the error of not anchoring down. All they could do now was wait until they either rushed out of the boat by hitting the rocks, or fortunately, the water moved them aside. People who work with inlets should, of course, have a lot of experience. Watch what happened to this group of folks if you don't believe us. Have you ever driven a boat so badly that it began to sink on its own? This is exactly what occurred to this family when they slammed so much water into the boat that it sank. The boat began to sink as a result of this. That will be one family vacation they will never forget. The captain of this boat decided it would be a good idea to sail into a choppy channel without wearing a flotation device, which results in the boat capsizing as soon as it entered the canal. A wacky captain is in charge of the boat these people are aboard. He, like the woman before him, chose to push through without waiting, which led to him colliding with all of the other docked boats. This act also cost him his own lifeboat, which was wedged between the boats and sank as a result of his actions. This young lady is steering her boat directly against the strong wind, which is clearly preventing her from making any progress. Regardless, she keeps running and throws caution to the wind just as the wind is about to toss her on her back. Some folks don't seem to be able to learn. A boat crashes into some rocks on the shore before pulling and colliding with a Chicago Park District police boat on Lake Michigan, as shown in this video. Let's go speedboat racing in the rapids, they said. It'll be great. These guys must be thinking to themselves, these racer boats aren't cheap though, with prices ranging from $40,000 to $100,000. That is, after all, one way to enter the scene. Kyle appeared to be getting ready to hang out with the boys and was unconcerned about the boat. Skipper gets it entirely wrong and nearly collides with an oncoming narrowboat, then destroys the iron fence before performing a complete 180-degree spin backwards. On a busy Venice canal, a towering, out-of-control cruise ship rams into a wharf and a tourist riverboat in this footage. And then you get to see what happens after that. This lady tries to dock the boat, but she doesn't seem to know what she's doing. She continues to hide behind the wheel, approaching aimlessly until she collides and fully opens the throttle. She promptly collides with another dock after colliding with the first. Is it true that boat licenses are currently given away for free?
Go right into it. Oh my god.
Reverse, reverse.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh my god! This lady! Oh my god! Stop!
This longboat struggles to fit through a tiny canal in the dead of night. Unfortunately, Olga collides with the channel's wall and rocks violently. After a long weekend at the mercy of the seas, I'm sure the captain was fatigued and sleepy. A police boat carrying out a rescue mission off the coast of New South Wales overturned, throwing the 8 officers overboard. Idiots in uniform is a must-see. As it attempted to dock at the port of Busan, South Korea, the hulking Milano Bridge, a 1,200-foot-long container ship, caused extensive damage. That is all for today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and click one of the 2 videos on the screen to keep watching.